Alright, to build a floating building like I did before, we do need to expand the map. So the easiest way to do this is to move in one direction and keep expanding until you hit a hard border, because the developers made it to where you could only go so far in one direction before the map truncates itself. The only way to get past, see that hard border there? The only way to get past that is to remove and make your area a little smaller. So we'll keep going out in that direction till it hits a hard border again. There we go, and then we'll remove some more. Alright, so if we look here on the map, do you see this channel coming through here? These are all good examples of good places to build floating buildings. Any of these circles will work. So let's get rid of some of these, and I'll show you how you can actually build a complex or a more complex floating building. So what we're going to do is we're going to interconnect some of these circle points. Somebody commented to me that they needed a bigger area or to build the actual floating building. So what we'll do is, okay, let's make this circle right here. Oops, I messed up there, sorry. So we're going to build this circle up first, because we know this one will definitely work. It's got no hard edges. Okay, so that's our first area. And then what we're going to do is we're going to continue this. Let's come up to this one. So we'll also make one here. Okay, so now what we want to do is join these two together. And this is just to show that we can build a more complex shape as long as we do have some circular portions. So now I'm going to build up a second layer of building, so I'll just speed up through this so you don't have to sit here and be bored. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a base layer, another layer, and we've got another hard base here. So let's put one more layer of buildings on top of that, and then we'll start taking away the base layer so that we can create the propellers. And by enclosing this in, we will generate another green yard with trees and okay, now we've generated the green, the trees, and we have our structure here. So let's get rid of some of these here in the way for now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this base. Alright, all we have left is this one section here, and as you can see, we've generated no beams going down into the water, so it's very important that you know you start off with at least a oval or circular shape. So now once we get rid of this last pier down here, we've generated our propellers. And so now we have a floating building. And then from here you can add on to this any way that you'd like. We can get rid of the grid so that we can see what it looks like. And if you wanted this to hover higher above the water, you would build it up even higher and then just get rid of more base layers, because once this basic shape has been attained, you can go as high above the water as you would like. So anyway, so that is a complex or multi-circular connected floating building in Townscape. I hope that answers any questions. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.